Oh, those micro machines?
Yeah.
I collect 80s toys.
Yeah, so do I. No, this is actually Fantastic Four. This is actually Marvel character. Welcome to Picking and Punching, and this is the Jackass edition, and this is a really bad decision. Oh my god, it's like a homemade tunnel. I don't know, should I do it?
You're gonna get wet.
Do it.
I don't know if this is a good idea,
Embrace his inner child.
man. Dude, I don't know how to fit this thing. I get stuck.
Get stuck. Get stuck.
Jesus Christ! Ow! Ow! Oh, shit! Oh, crap! Oh. There's a connected tube inside there. That thing does not feel good. Oh, man. All right, so this part right here sucks because this board, you can feel that going through there. Right in here too, with these attached together, that did not feel good. Make sure you guys stay to the end because we're going to show you what everything is worth. Also, we make one big mistake and you don't want to miss it. Little Tykes Vintage. Walt Disney. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Doing great. Oh, those micro machines?
Yeah.
No, nice. What do you have on those?
They're all new. I think somebody bought the one that I had marked for prices. Yeah, last year, because I had one whole set of the buildings, all 6 pieces.
Yeah.
And they bought that, and that's the thing, I had a tag on it.
Oh, gotcha.
Everything. And I didn't even remember that until now when I just opened that box.
I mean, what else has you got? The PlayStation. We got the parts. Oh, you got a couple things there. That's cool.
Yeah, I had the hospital,
yeah.
station, yeah, all 6 of them, whatever the other items were.
So what were you asking then for them?
That's what I'm trying to trying to think.
Yeah.
I mean, they on eBay they go for like 30, 40 bucks, but I was gonna need 15 bucks a piece, or like all 3 of those for 25.
All 3 for 25?
Yeah.
And what are these underneath there? Is this micro machines too? That's micro machines?
Yeah, tractors, 2 trains.
Okay. I mean, how much for it all?
$50.
50 bucks for it all?
Yeah. It's a pretty good deal if you want to resell it on eBay.
What else you got over here?
I don't have those priced yet.
Oh, okay.
Because they're, like this was issued in England.
Yeah.
That train set.
Oh, actually, no, your prices.
Oh, I do have some. Yeah, I have them on the bottom. Like
Yeah.
I just glanced through the box
Gotcha.
and didn't.
I'll do 50 on that.
Okay.
So I will give you. Let me give you your 50 here first, and then. There you go, sir.
Let's get this Thomas stuff.
Yeah, I'll take that out. There's your 50.
Okay.
I'll put this.
Yeah, grab that tray up.
Do you mind if I take the box?
Oh, go ahead.
Cool. Let's see what you
The
got.
box is free. How's that?
The box is free?
Yeah.
The box and the dust are free with any purchase.
Yeah.
$435 train set. The Xbox 900s.
Well, you don't have a price on this.
What's that? No.
Back to the Future. 1, 2, 3 in the trilogy. This is McDonald's. 1982. That was yours, right?
Yeah, mine. Very bad.
Coca-Cola Barbie.
They are all special edition.
Yeah. How much are they?
Just 12 a piece, or you can get 2 for 20.
I like the Coca-Cola one.
And it's another. I've got another Coca-Cola one right here too.
Oh, nice. I like that one because it has the bear. Click the soul. How much are the cassette tapes? $5. Def Leppard. Unfortunately, I would like to buy these, but I think that looks okay. Hold on. They're starting to get weight on the reel inside, which means there's mold inside on the tapes. Yeah. Anytime you're thinking about purchasing VHS or cassette tapes, I highly recommend that you always take a look at the inside reels. If you see any type of white specks or white marks on the reels, that means it's getting mold and it's no good. Yeah, sorry, man. I would have been all over those. How much you have on your TV? The TV? 5. Does it work?
I think so.
Can I plug it in to see? Yeah, it works. $5.
Kind of does.
Alright.
All right.
I'll give you $5 for it. Keep an eye out for these old CRT TVs. They're actually used for retro gaming and for like retro photo shoots. This TV was actually sold to an NFL player. He actually bought it locally in the Tampa Bay area, and he's going to use it for a photo shoot for his clothing line. So pretty cool, but they do sell super fast, especially to vintage gamers. This Pinocchio plush is from Walt Disney. It's actually brand new with tags on. I thought it was going to be worth a lot more. This is actually from the 80s. It's actually only worth $4 or $5, so I ended up selling it on Whatnot. What you find, guy? Ooh, a River.
I have another one of these, but I can put it in my horror Whatnot.
I would pick that up. That's definitely a good pickup.
Yeah,
How's your stuffed animals?
50 cents.
Cent.
you get a quarter? I don't know.
I do have a quarter, but I'm about to give it to him.
You got 2 quarters?
I got 2 quarters of
There you
both.
go. Shit.
No, mine was 50 cents. No, man, you owe him.
Oh, yours was 50 cents?
Yeah, mine's 50 cents.
Oh my gosh, I got a dollar in mine.
Okay. See, this guy's trying to rip off a quarter. Come on, man.
Jimmy Nelson's, Danny O. Just put Danny O'Day.
What are they asking for it?
35. So what do they go for? It's like 35 to 250. Well, that sounds like asking.
You guys need a dummy, don't you?
I got one right here.
But he's way cooler.
I know, trying to find some information. Do you know any information about him?
He was made in the 60s.
Yeah.
You can find him online anywhere from about 30, 40 bucks up to 200 bucks. He is missing his shoes, and apparently he used to have, I guess, a white shirt under here that had a bow tie.
If he takes it home, he'll probably be missing his pants too. So.
If y'all want him, I'll do 20 on him.
There's multiple ones that were 30 bucks for repair, and the one was one for 16 sold. Not worth it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't.
You never know, right?
We always get out the both of this stuff, so many different times.
2020.
She just wanted to bug you about it.
Vintage horseshoe sets. Vintage horseshoes are plastic. They are a toy set. They usually only sell for about $10, so I decided to pass.
Yeah, look, I didn't see.
Yeah, would be cool.
I got some decent stuff.
Yes, what'd you get? Vintage or new?
Vintage.
Oh, nice. Is that vintage?
No, it's,
No, it's
well,
newer.
it's early 2000, but
Yeah.
this one's on a changes tag, Oscar the Grouch. No, I'm just gonna put it in the car.
Oh, that's cool.
Sure.
Oscar,
Yeah,
changes tag.
yeah. You know, they used to sell this at Gadzooks in the mall.
Oh, yeah. That's
So-
like the old
Yeah, the Calvin Klein.
Klein.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like, I'll get that.
Yeah. What the heck? Oh, little Batman. Love this piece. Spectre Gadget. How much you have in your toys here?
Pardon me?
How much are the toys?
Yeah, I'll take $7 for all of it. Gadget is what's that?
Guys, I want to take a quick break from this video here to let you guys know that I appreciate all you guys' support, but only about 20% of you are actually subscribed to the channel and watching the videos. If you made it this long, you're liking what we're doing, so do us a favor, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. You get notifications every time a new video drops. So let's get back to picking here.
Well, I found this hat.
These are cool.
Probably 30 years. This was
I really like these rhythm birds. Really. Are you grabbing that one?
Thank you. Enjoy your
That's from 99.
Yeah, I know. It's a cool piece. I'm gonna get it for myself.
Yeah.
Big horror fan, so that's all.
Somebody wanted the dog.
I collect 80s toys.
Yeah, so do I. But I like a lot of horror stuff too.
Yeah.
No, the dog was more. They wanted just the dog. Those are dated, I think, too.
$5 on them, I'll take them all.
Okay.
Alrighty. Save me $1.
What do you think of these? These are cool looking.
Yeah.
There you guys go.
What's up, buddy?
Nothing much.
How much is that?
They're rigid.
He had no price, yeah.
They're $10 each.
$10
You
each.
didn't see my text message? Oh, it's a circus.
Yeah. they're cool.
Circus is in town.
You guys any more comic book stuff?
You got my comic book? Anywhere?
I had the adult comics this morning.
Oh, really? I'm gonna put these right here for right now,
Only
okay?
this, because they bought
Okay.
the other ones.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
The Mego toys from the 70s can bring really good money, but it really comes down to the condition of it and if you have the accessories and clothes. Now, this one does have the clothes, but on the back of it, the rivets are damaged and it does have some staining. So normally this would probably sell for about $150. We should get between 50 and 75 based on condition.
I don't even know what this is. It was in the box.
The Invisible
I
Woman.
think this is Action Jackson, if I'm not mistaken. His arm's got to be reattached.
So one of the worst parts about editing these videos for YouTube is I find stuff that I accidentally left behind. I should have picked up Conan, the Mego figure. This figure sells roughly about $80 in the condition it's in, and I would have got it for about $5–10. No, this is actually Fantastic Four. This is actually a Marvel character.
Okay. See, I'm getting educated on this stuff. Thank you.
No problem. Anything good?
No. You? Did you get that Crypt Keeper?
No, it's sitting on my pile. Why, you want it?
No.
My camera's about to die here. We end up getting the 2 elephants, the Crypt Keeper figure, and the Fantastic Four Mego for 20 bucks. We found some great items today. If you guys like these videos, please make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel here. Also, check out this next video that's going to pop up here. It was a great yard sale. We found a lot of really good items. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.